We've been filming Tim buying parts at a classic Volvo specialist's.
Stop the clock.
But what we didn't have time to include in that show was him blagging an impromptu ride in the rather stunning Mercedes that was parked nearby.
Thank you so much. This is honestly one of the greatest days of my life, genuinely.
With its space frame chassis and pioneering use of direct fuel injection, the Mercedes 300 Superlight was a car that, in 1955, set the performance bar. 161 miles per hour top speed made it the fastest production car in the world at the time. Although now a Gulling as pristine as this is worth well over £1 million, most drivers are just happy to enjoy the view.
Look at it, the detail is just stunning. Some of the aluminium work, it's aircraft quality, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Considering this was a car designed and built in the 50s. So that's sort of post-war Germany, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got all that skill and all that ability from these people who have been designing military machinery and what have you, and they've thrown it all into this car, and it's just stunning. Is it hard to drive?
Bit big on the old steering.
It does sound like a coach.
A route master.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
First second gear route master, then nice fourth.
Right, so they're straight cut gears.
Yeah,
Right.
similar sort of concept, yeah, and then when you go into fourth there, it's...
Oh, yeah, it's
lovely.
happy now.
Yeah.
What's that little button down there?
It's the passenger's horn.
What?
Yep.
No way.
One for you.
I've got my own horn.
Yep.
It's just gorgeous. This is on the bucket list. This is tick now.
Tick.
Yeah, it really is.
That's it. There we go. Look at that.
I'll tell you something, Fuzz. It did not look like this when we pushed out of the garage before. It was quite terrifying.
That's true.
I mean, just randomly thinking, we haven't ever actually driven one of our cars, really, because we're always in such a rush to give them back.
That's right.
I can see what's coming, yeah.
Well, it's a shame because we're not in a rush today.
Are you sure you can manage it, do you know?
I think we should give it a try. Because, you know, if it goes wrong, then we're always here to fix it.
See you later.
See you later. Now that's what I'm talking about. Driving a car we've done up with no stress.
That's right. That's absolutely brilliant. This is fantastic. And it's running beautifully. The brakes on this car feel much better. And in fact, the car in general feels like it's actually had time to be run in, if you see what I mean.
This is what classic cars are about. And it's a nice thought to remind ourselves sometimes of what these cars mean to people. And it is just a lump of metal that burns fuel ultimately at the end of the day, and
That's
it
right.
chucks you down a road. But there's more to these than that, isn't there? There really is.
Oh, totally. It's great that it's been such a big part of the family, and it continues to be, and they just go out in it and have fun.
You know what? This is one to remember, Fuzz. This is great.